the orangutans. We saw about 7 of them here at Semenggoh. They're quite incredible. They came down and ate fruit and showed territory and basically are beautiful creatures. Definitely want to come out here and check this out for yourself. The place has been here for over 50 years. See the scientists that do all the research to protect these beautiful creatures are doing it for people like us to come out and learn about these great apes, these primates, these ancient, beautiful creatures. So every day at the Semenggoh Sanctuary, there are 2 feedings. There's one in the morning at around 9 a.m. and then there's another feeding at 3 p.m. And you're limited only an hour and a half with these orangutans as you visit them. Really quite incredible how they connect with human beings. Our behaviors and what we do, where they actually try to mimic our smiles, our laughs, our head. So currently the Semenggoh Nature Reserve is taking care of 31 wild and semi-wild orangutans that are native to the forest in Semenggoh. And the wonderful thing about the behavior of these orangutans, besides their ability to climb and maneuver down these ropes and cables, is also their ability to observe ourselves. Looking at these beautiful orangutans, as you see, they are very playful. They're semi-wild orangutans, and they come for the forest to get additional food that is given to them, such as fruits and grains and things that they might not normally find in the forest, so they're trying to find it. So the Semenggoh Wildlife Center was established in 1975, and at that point they were caring for wild animals that were injured, orphaned, or people who kept them illegally as pets. And one thing's amazing about the rehabilitation of injured and captive animals is they can release them back into the wild. Also, they conduct wildlife research and breeding programs for these endangered species, and they educate the public on conservation. So here in the Semenggoh research, they're studying orangutan biology and behavior while providing this natural haven for semi-wild orangutans, and including those born and they have been rehabilitated with their mothers in the wild. So some of the things you might notice when this giant alpha male orangutan enters, clearly he is the dominant male, which causes the other orangutans to behave in a scared way where they retreat to make space for this large male alpha. So the orangutan found in the rainforests of Malaysia, Borneo, Sarawak, and Sabah, these orangutans, what it means is Malay, is orang is Malay for person, and utan or utain is from forest. So it's really the person of the forest is what these creatures are known as. Powerful creatures they are. Primarily these orangutans are fruit eaters. They also eat leaves, insects and bark, flowers, eggs and small lizards, and they build nests each night in their forest canopy. They live in solidarity, possibly due to food scarcity and lack of predators. And right about now, there's about 20 to
There's
27,000
the alpha
left
male.
in the
We
wild.
got another one coming, even bigger than Edwin right there. He's gonna be coming over there.
And they are endangered creatures, these orangutans, due to deforestation, habitat encroachment, hunting, and live animal trade. So these rehabilitation programs, like the Semenggoh Center, is doing this work to rescue these orangutans and educate the public. So here in this sanctuary, the rangers actually fill up buckets of food and they head out to these platforms and they dump it onto the platforms where the orangutans have learned that those are the feeding areas, and if they choose to join us, they need to come out. The rangers say they don't put food out until the orangutans show up, so they have to show up first. But over the years of this research and rehabilitation, they have released about 650 of them back into the wild. And it's really amazing to know that these orangutan living at the forest reserve are able to live so close to the public and be a part of teaching us. The orangutans are given daily all kinds of food like bananas and pineapples and oranges and sugar cane, sweet potatoes, coconut papayas, and hard-boiled eggs. And they come from the canopy to descend down, and they either grab the food they see quickly and move right back into the forest. And it depends on which orangutans may or may not come that day.